Today I'm going to draw a logo, the logo for a sports equipment company called Under Armour. Now, one way to approach this logo is to draw exactly 1/4 of it and then mirror it upwards and then do the same downwards. It's basically two arches, one upwards, one downwards, and they intersect in the middle. Let's give it a try and see how symmetrical we can make it. You just need sharp pencils and a bit of red. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. Did you know we publish lots of fun coloring books for both adults and kids? You can get them from Amazon, Etsy, or the Art for All website. Check the link in the description for more details. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.